Here we have our next doozy. Y double prime minus 8y prime plus 20y equals 0. And our key is that y equals e to the 4x cosine of 2x. Okay, so y prime is going to equal, well, we're going to have to do our product rule. So this is going to be equal to f, and this is going to be equal to, double product rule. And that's going to be equal to g. So f, let's lower that a bit. F of x is equal to e to the 4x. F prime of x is equal to 4e to the 4x. And now we have g of x equals cosine 2x. G prime of x is equal to, well, let's just call this, I guess, f and this g, but instead of all of that nonsense, cosine. What's cosine equal? Is that negative sine? It is. So we're just going to bring this 2 out. So it's going to be negative 2 sine of 2x. But we're going to keep the 2 in, product rule and all that. So now doing our f g prime, g f prime, we're going to get negative 2 sine of 2x times, that's f. Oh, no, what am I doing? I started with g prime. That's bizarre. E to the 4x times our g prime. This is going to be times negative 2 sine x, but I'll rewrite that a little bit better. So this is going to be negative 2e to the 4x sine of 2x plus, let's see, g cosine g prime, g f prime, yeah, cosine 2x. Well, we can just probably write f prime, or just manipulate this around a little bit. It's the same thing, 4e to the 4x cosine of 2x. Okay, and all that they did here is they wrote this first, and then they subtracted that first. But it's an equivalent thing. So now, what's y double prime? Ooh, this is going to be something, isn't it? Well, I'm going to group that, split that right down. Split that right down. Interesting, interesting. So this is going to be f, g, f, and g. This is going to be equation 1 and 2. So it's going to be f2, I could probably write that, but we already had them up there, but boom, separated. So now our f1 of x is equal to negative 2e to the 4x. F prime 1 of x is going to be 4 times 2, which is negative 8e to the 4x. Our g1 of x is equal to sine of 2x. Actually, sine of 2x. And let's see. Oh, we haven't actually done that one yet. So derivative of sine is cosine. So g prime 1 of x equals cosine. So now g prime, let's start with f. So we're going to have negative 2e to the 4x f times g prime. No, almost forgot cosine of 2x. And this is actually going to be 2. This is actually going to be times 2 cosine 2x. These can join together. So this is going to be negative 4e to the 4x cosine 2x plus f g prime we could do f prime g, it's the same thing. This is actually going to be minus 8e to the 4x sine of 2x. Okay. Looks like they've doubled theirs somehow. Their 8 became 16. Their 4 became 12. I think there should, no, there shouldn't be a 2 here. Okay. What happened here? This should be e to the 4x, shouldn't it? Hold on then. I'm thinking what we should have done is actually cut this off and that off. Interesting. But actually, it's looking more like this again. And that's probably fine. But we have negative 2 times the f is going to be e to the 4x. G prime is, so that's right there, 2e to the 4x cosine 2x. Plus fg prime. Yeah, we can do 4 e to the 4x sine of 2x. So then this becomes an 8. This becomes a 4. Is that right where we started? Oh, it's because we didn't combine these. There's still this whole other thing to do. Okay. That was just a check. Don't worry. Don't worry about it. Okay. So now that we have all those done, f2 of x, f prime 2 of x, g 2 of x, g prime 2 of x. So we're going to have 4e to the 4x, which is going to be 4 times 4, 8 times 16, e to the 4x. And then we're going to have cosine 2x, which right there is going to be negative 2 sine. 2 negative sine 2x. So now we're going to have 4e to the 4x times negative 2, so that's negative 8 e to the 4x sine of 2x, and then we're going to have plus 16e to the 4x cosine 2x. So I'm going to combine this and this, which still isn't right. Sin x is actually cancel out. Let's do F1 again. F1 is negative 2e to the 4x, which means it's going to be negative 8e to the 4x, which gives us negative 16, no it doesn't, negative 12 cosine, no just 12. Okay, this is working out better. And then sine of 2x, well that's actually going to be the same. Sine is negative cosine. No, sine is just cosine. So now we have negative 2 e to the 4x times 2 cosine x, which is negative 4 e to the 4x cosine x, plus, this should be minus 8e to the 4x sine 2x. Okay, combining these, we have y double prime equals 12e to the 4x cosine of 2x minus 16e to the 4x sine 2x. Yeah, perfect. And now they're asking y double prime minus 8y prime plus 20y is equal to okay, y double prime is 12e to the 4x cosine 2x minus 16e to the 4x sine 2x minus 8y. This is going to be minus 8 times, oh, y, minus 8 y prime, minus 8 times negative 2e to the 4x sine of 2x plus 4e to the 4x cosine of 2x plus 20y. E to the 4x cosine 2x. So we're going to start off, this one's going to be really easy. 20e to the 4x cosine 2x. But let's do this. Negative 8 times negative 2. That's going to be 16e to the sine x, which cancels out with this. Now let's multiply this by negative 2. So that's 4 times negative 8. So that's 4 times negative 2, right? Negative 8. What was this? Was that 4? Yeah, 4. Negative 8. What's that going to be? 16. 8 and 8, 16, 32. Should be minus 32. Okay. So now we have 20 plus 12. When you combine these two, that's 32 e to the 4x cosine 2x. So these cancel out. So it equals 0. Right there. And they're showing that these, when you combine these, like this here and this here, cancel out. I guess that's what they're trying to show there.